How to use Instagram on a Mac. Hello everyone, I am Vishakha and welcome to our channel. Let's get right into the tutorial. Open your preferred browser and in the search bar search for instagram.com. Put in your login credentials here. Once logged in, on the left side tab, you will see the plus icon. Tap on that. You will now be able to create a new post and upload photos and videos. Tap on the select from computer option and now select the picture that you want to post and tap on upload. Here you can resize your image according to your choice. You can also tap on the small icon on your right and add multiple pictures. Tap on next, select from the variety of filters available here and make adjustments if required and tap on next again. Now add in the caption if you want. You can also add location. If you have multiple pictures, enable alt text. Under advanced settings, toggle on the button for hide like and view count if you want to hide like and view count, and toggle on the button for turn off commenting if you want to turn off commenting. And now tap on share. With this, your photo will be uploaded to Instagram from your Mac successfully. You can also upload videos similarly. If you find this tutorial helpful, do subscribe to our channel. Thank you for staying with us until the end.